Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long with MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're hanging out on board our 2023 Aviara 40 Outboard. Epic. That's the word. Guys, we're up on a lift right now. We're about 7 feet in the air, and that's how this boat makes you feel. And it starts right here at the back. You have 1,200 horsepower. Yes, 1,200 horsepower from Mercury Marine, joystick controlled, and those motors are sublime. They're amazing. In fact, the back is so much of the story on this boat. You see this sea deck running all the way up the sides? That's because this side folds down. So does the one behind the camera. You ever been on a yacht at a local marina and seen the walk-ups on both sides in the rear? Well, check it out. This 40 Aviara has both walkways. You got ambidextrous dock access, but guys, this makes the flow of people on this boat incredible, and that's what she's built for, people. You've got a huge sunshade coming out of one of the largest T-tops in the entire game. Guys, the T-top on this 40 Aviara can put to shame boats that are legitimately 10 feet larger than it is. It has a sunroof, it has a sunshade, but it's just this. It's just me out of the Florida sun, absolutely enjoying the incredible interior. And you want to spend time. You have prep center with bottle holders and a faucet. Guys, you have an epic TV that pops up behind the helm. You can do dual grills on this. You can see the dual refrigeration. You have dual of everything. And that's one of the stories. You're here to serve people. This boat has additional coolers hiding under this seat and under that cabinet, and an additional garbage here. And what about when people have had just a little bit too much sun? Check that out. Walk up or walk in full stand-up head in this boat. You've got a Ford V-berth with a table that converts. You've got a bed underneath the stairs. Your ship's panel's down below there. You have an additional TV down below there. There is so much going on down below this boat, but its size just makes it completely disappear. And that is exactly the story when you're running this boat. The size, the weight, the design of the hull that Aviara has put into this boat makes it ride so smoothly. 1, 2, 3 footers just disappear beneath the bow of this boat, almost like they're not there. And that's a story for all your friends that are hanging out. Because, guys, I'm about 6 foot tall. And if you see where this gunnel hits me on the shoulders, man, what a sense of security in the front of this boat. Even at 35 miles an hour, it feels sublime. You even have your own stereo controls. Wind's a little too loud? No problem. Crank it on up. Guys, I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this 2023 Aviara 40 you can have right now. We'll talk.